Hi everyone, I'm standing next to the brand new T-Roc, and today we'd like to show you all the details which make this car the best in its class. So come on, let's go. So first, let's take a look at the front of the car. We have a completely new light design with more focused headlights, a full-length LED strip and a lighted logo. Here we have our IQ.LIGHT LED matrix headlights. You might know this technology from other models from higher segments, but now we also have it in our brand new T-Roc. This feature allows us, for example, to mask out oncoming traffic. And a feature like that adds absolutely to your comfort, but also to safety. The color of this T-Roc is called Canary Yellow. In combination with the black style package, it looks absolutely stunning. For the first time, we have 20-inch wheels and really big wheel arches. So if you look at the side of the car, it looks very powerful. At the same time, at the C-pillar, we have a more coupe-like silhouette, which makes the car sportier, but still recognizable as a T-Roc. Let's take a look at the beautiful back of the car. We have 3D LED backlights. We have a LED strip connecting these backlights and an N-lighted logo in the middle of the car. At the side, you can see the broad shoulders of the car, which gives it from the back a very sporty and powerful stance. Let's talk a little bit about the drivetrains of the T-Roc. At the beginning, we will have two 1.5-liter TSI mild hybrids. Later on, we will add more powerful variants with 2 liters, which will also come as mild hybrids. On top of that, we will have a T-Roc R. And next year, there will be an absolute highlight. For the first time, we will have an HEV, a full hybrid version of the T-Roc. This is our 20-inch wheel called Calgary. In total, we will have right at the beginning 9 different rims from 16 up to 20-inch. Sitting in a new T-Roc feels like sitting in a car from a higher segment. Everywhere you look or everything you touch has high quality and soft materials. The door panels, the steering wheels, which comes with real buttons by the way, and also the newly developed dashboard. The dashboard is covered with fabric. That's an absolute first for Volkswagen. The new T-Roc comes with ambient lighting. We have a total of 30 colors. You can choose from different moods or set the colors individually. Another cool feature of the T-Roc is the newly developed door handle. It gives the car a more spacious feeling on the inside, and we need less plastic. In the interior, the T-Roc took a big step forward. The T-Roc shares a platform with models from higher segments, such as the Passat or the Tiguan or even the Tayron. The Digital Pro cockpit. We have the big screens in the middle, the standard version with 11.4 inches or this bigger version with 12.9 inches. And also completely new in the T-Roc, a head-up display right in the windscreen. Another feature in the T-Roc that has been adapted from both larger SUVs is the driving experience control. This elegantly illuminated touch and push button switch has the ability to control the atmospheres, is a second control for volume levels, and can also change the driving profiles. In front of the driving control switch, we have now 2 USB-C ports and a storage compartment for a smartphone, with optional inductive charging and an integrated cooling function. The new T-Roc is 12 centimeters longer than its predecessor. That gives you more leg space, which means even taller persons can sit comfortably in the back now. Also, the new T-Roc has 30 liters more space in the trunk. What our customers love about the T-Roc is its practicality, its technology, and its style. And with the new T-Roc, we have taken all that a step further. We have top-down innovations from higher segments. We have a really good quality in the interior, and we have a more grown-up and stylish exterior design. So if you're considering buying a compact SUV that is stylish, innovative, and high quality, you should definitely take a closer look at our new T-Roc.